Hey guys, Google Store is discounting Pixelbook Go Chromebooks by $50 to $150. I'm not sure if this is in conjunction with the 10th anniversary of Chromebooks or it's just a happy coincidence. But if you're looking for a new Chromebook, you're in luck. The Google Store is discounting Pixelbook Go Chromebooks by $50 to $150, depending on the model you choose. The base model with an Intel M3 processor isn't part of this sale. But that's okay. I'd recommend starting with the next configuration up with a Core i5, which is what I reviewed. Normally priced at $849, you'll pay $799. Move up to a doubling of memory and that $999 model currently costs $899. For the power users who want it all with a Core i7, the $1,399 configuration is reduced to $1,249. While there are plenty of newer Chromebook options available today, I still think the Pixelbook Go is a great choice. Unless you have very specific needs the Go doesn't meet. I don't think you can go wrong by choosing it. If you are seeing this channel for the first time and like to see similar reviews in the future, then hit that subscribe button, right now. Please help me to reach 1,000 subscribers this month. The build quality and display are fantastic. There's enough performance power to do just about anything you could want to, and battery life is in the 10+ hour mark. Having said that, I still believe the regular prices are a bit high. And that could keep the otherwise excellent Pixelbook Go out of mainstream hands. I think those people are missing out on a great Chromebook experience. Which is why it's easy to recommend considering the Pixelbook Go at discounted prices. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.